have four guest speakers that I picked out, and you are, please come up from Uncle. This is my dad's guru here, so.
It's hard to follow this guy. Well, it's good to see you happy, healthy, and enjoying yourself. Happy birthday to you. And I wish to God that this day come year after year after year, and certainly as long as I'm around. I have known him for a long time.
50 years.
Well, let me 1956, it's longer than what he thinks. 1956,
Oh, yeah.
we are both in the same institution. I was 3 years senior to him. But he knew about me and I had heard about his name. It was 1962 that we both we were both in the same institution. We were both lecturers, he and I. And so I've known him for a long time. I'll just say a little bit, take a stock and have some reflections. When he was born in India, where he was born, there was no radio, there was no phone, there was no electricity, and he probably didn't see a car till he was almost an adult. And in those cars, you did a hand crank if you saw the car. And if you needed air conditioning, you brought the window down, hand crank window. So it was a very different world. And he was the first member of his family to go to the best institution in the province he was in. He did, academically, he did a great job, as we all know. He was a professor here, he was a chairman here. And not only did he take care of himself, he took care of his siblings also. He made sure that his younger brothers, they had proper education. They both became professionals. And, unfortunately, they are not here, they are not in this world anymore. But he was it was his attention, he paid for their education to the extent that he could. And he was after them like his own son. And at times it was very hard on him, which I know. So, then we all know his education, where he came here, what he has done in the University of Long Beach, what he did at JPL. And so I'm not going to go too far in that. I'm just going to say this. At this age, you all want to reflect on what you have done in life. At this point now, your job is done, and essentially, you have a lot of time to think about. What I must say about him is this. He should be proud of what he has done, from where he has started to where he has ended up. Not only he took care of his family, his siblings, and not only take care of his own brothers and sisters, he took care of his sisters and the whole family over there. And he has taken care of family over here. And lifted every of them from where they were to this point. And at the age we are in, it looks like that there were smart kids around who probably learned 10 times that we ever dreamed we will learn. And we are all very happy for them because they are our kids and grandkids. But I have one thing to say, looking at him, is that you ought to figure out where you started and where you are. And if that quantum jump you can make, that he did, I think you're doing good. Big jump. And particularly because of our age, let me say this too. Life, you start as a kid, you are completely dependent. Then you grow up, slowly you get power, you get education, you get job, you get wife, you get family. You rule, your word goes, you become chairman, everybody just wants to listen to you, and then you retire. You become old, he's laughing, and we all become sick.
And you become non-existent
That's no, that's not.
in the scheme
So
of
no.
No,
I-
your
I
battery is low.
So you start as a child when you are very dependent, and unfortunately, you end up as very dependent. But that's the cycle of life. There's nothing I can do about it, he can do about it, and God won't do nothing about it. But I must say that you have done a great job. We are very happy to be here for you, and happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you very much.
Let me see where we're at.
Battery is low.
Is it flashing already?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.